Robert, it's always a pleasure to meet another Robert. So Robert to Robert.
Hi
there. So we're here at the Cobi stand. I mean, Cobi, you guys have been a stalwart tentpole here at Spielwarenmesse for as long as I can remember. There's always a Cobi stand. How long have you been here?
Well, yeah, we are here since '92.
Wow.
So the year I was born, so 34 years already here.
That's amazing. So you definitely are nice and you're involved with Spielwarenmesse at this point. So what is new for Cobi in 2026?
So as you can see, we have a beautiful Audi Quattro, the rally car, and it's not by mistake. We are presenting the new collection, the new license we have.
Okay, show me, please.
So those are still prototypes, which are pending approval, but we can show you something.
Great, okay.
So we have 5 sets, of two of a rally car, two civil Audi Quattro, and one Audi Quattro Group 4, which will be our novelties for this year.
Oh, amazing. Okay. I mean, that's a great license to get the Audi one. That's fantastic for you guys. I mean, when I think of Cobi, I think of you guys doing military vehicles and kind of like big outlandish building block toys. So when it comes to things like I'm seeing over here, like the jets and the tanks.
Yeah, so Armed Forces is our modern warfare collection. But also Top Gun, it's one of the most important licenses. This year we're gonna have a 40th anniversary of Top Gun movie. That's why we present the new item Top Gun logo for the fans, and we constantly expand the collection to have more and more cool planes from the movie.
Oh, absolutely, and they're such slick models. I mean, you can barely see that they're model kits from a distance, you know?
Yeah. Thank you for noticing that. We try our best to represent the model as close as possible to the original one.
Yeah, I mean, so you've spent, since 1992, you've been here at Spielwarenmesse. Maybe not you personally, as you were born that year. So do you guys enjoy coming to Spielwarenmesse?
Yes, we love this opportunity to meet our customers, to get to know new customers, to show our products. This is the best place to show and to gain new recognition.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, as I say, you've made an impact on me the years that I've been here. I always check out the Cobi stand. It's fantastic. And well done on the new license. Robert, thank you so very much for spending some time with us.
Thank you.
See you next year, yes?
Yeah, of course.